Okay. So let's go to a poor father. Mother started screaming. She thought that father has fallen down, but she did not have that much sense that I should go and check that in which room the sound came from. She just thought that a nightmare, a dream has come true and father has fallen down क्योंकि उसको पहले से वो बात का डर था. It was this shout rather than the noise of my coat falling that awakened Herman in the same room with her. So Herman, who was sleeping with mother in the same room, he was awakened because of this shouting of mother. Mother shouted, "Let's go to your poor father," and Herman was sleeping with her. So Herman got awake. Herman did not hear the sound of the bed which fell down. वो तो सिर्फ मदर ने सुना था. But Herman got awakened when mother started shouting. He thought that mother had become for no apparent reason hysterical. अब हरमन को नहीं पता था कि बैड का साउंड आया, like bad had fallen down and because of that noise mother is awakened. Herman woke up when she started shouting. तो हरमन को नहीं पता था what happened and why mother is shouting or what she heard. So Herman, according to Herman, when Herman's eyes opened, at that time, mother was already shouting. Herman को ऐसा लगा like mother has gone mad. She has become hysterical. Means panic, panic stricken. Means many people have that habit when they see the nightmare or when they see something bad, they start shouting in their dream. So according to Herman, mother had become hysterical for no apparent reason. Means without any reason, she has become panic stricken. She is afraid without any reason because he had not heard the sound of the bed. You are all right, Mama, he shouted, trying to calm her. So mother, now Herman was trying to calm her down, and he just asked, "Are you all right? What happened?" They exchanged shout for shout, perhaps 10 seconds. "Let's go to your poor father, and you are all right." So they were shouting. Both of them were shouting for 10 minutes constantly. Mother was shouting this dialogue. "Let's go to your poor father." And Herman was shouting, "Are you all right? Are you all right?" So they both were shouting. Mad family it is. No one is going to check what happened because they are shouting for 10 minutes. That woke up Briggs. अब कौन जाग गया? Briggs Bell. Where was he sleeping? With the author in the next room. When Briggs Bell did not wake up with the sound of the bed, कि वो तो author के साथ ही था. But still, Briggs Bell did not wake up. He woke up only when he heard these two people shouting in the next room, mother and Herman. So now Briggs Bell woke up. By this time, I was conscious of what was going on. I means author. Now author is conscious. अब author की जो eyes है वो open हो रही है that what is happening around him. In vague way. Vague means uncertain. Still, author was not sure. You know, when your eyes open early morning, when you open your eyes for the first time, you are not fully conscious. You will not immediately come to your senses. Still you will think what is happening when you wake up in the morning. You don't know, it is a scientific fact that for a few seconds you will not remember anything, not even your identity, for a few seconds. So it is vague means uncertain. Author, when he woke up, he was not sure what was going on around him. Now Briggs Bell, what will he think? That he is dying. अब उसको खुद का misconception होगा, but did not yet realize that I was under my bed instead of on it. So author was awakened now. He was getting back to his senses, but still he did not realize that bed he is not on the bed, but bed is on him. अभी तक वो realize नहीं हुआ था उसको. Briggs, awakening in the midst of loud shouts of fear and apprehension, came to quick conclusion that he was suffocating and that we are all trying to bring him out. So Briggs Bell, अब उसको खुद का misconception हुआ. Mother and Herman are shouting, and Briggs Bell thought that Mother and Herman are shouting because they want to save him, because he is dying of suffocation. He came to the conclusion that Mother and Herman, who are in the next room, they are shouting, and they are all shouting because they want to bring him out of suffocation and he is dying. So Briggs Bell had his own misconception. Mother and Herman, they had their own misconceptions. सबको अलग अलग misconception हुआ mind में. Are you all understanding it? Getting it? What I'm trying to explain? Okay. So mother, when author fell down off the bed, mother heard the sound. Mother thought that father had fallen down above in the attic room, and mother started shouting. So when mother started shouting, Herman, sleeping in the same room with her, he opened his eyes. He saw mother is shouting for no apparent reason, and he thought mother has become hyper without any reason. Mother is shouting. She has become panic stricken, means she is afraid. Maybe she has seen a nightmare. And they both were shouting. Mother was shouting, "Let's go and save the father." Herman was shouting, "Are you all right? Are you all right?" And with this shout, who woke up? Briggs Bell. Briggs Bell was sleeping with Arthur in his room. So Briggs Bell woke up and he thought that he is dying of suffocation, and that's why these people are shouting to save him, to bring him out. So this was all the misconception going on. Now Arthur will also wake up. And then finally, who will wake up after Arthur? Roy. Roy will also wake up. Lex be there. They will also have their own misconception. Everyone, each one of them will have their own misconception in their own minds, and they will create a chaos. Father will be sleeping till last. He will get a shock at last when they all will gather at outside the door of the attic room. We will see what happens then.
Sir, 2 minutes are left.
I know that, but I don't want to continue for 2 more minutes. And you can't tell me to continue. आज तो तुम लोग कुछ
Okay,
बोलना ही
bye.
नहीं. Thank you.
Bye.
नहीं
Tell
काम है डिलीशिया
don't mention it.
What?
Don't mention it. You said
What?
no thank you. Nothing. Golden words are not repeated.
Whose words? These are not even silver words.
डिलीशियस डिलीशियस
What?
वो कौन है?
What?
तो बोल दो कुछ नहीं सर
Yes,
कोई बात
sir.
नहीं बाय
Yes,
Right.
Kathleen.
Conan was asking who is your favorite student. If you want to tell, tell. Then, if you don't want to tell, then don't tell. I don't care.
Okay, if you don't care, then why should I?
हाँ तो कुछ नहीं. Bye.
Okay. Okay, Delisha.
गुस्सा सेहत के लिए अच्छा नहीं होता.
And